In today's guide, I am going to walk you through how to use signals for integration alerts to keep your workflow running smoothly. If you rely on multiple apps to handle your data, it can be incredibly frustrating when a sync fails or an update goes unnoticed. By setting up real-time signals, you will get instant bell notifications directly within your platform, so you are never left in the dark. This is a game changer for staying updated on your integrations, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get it done today. If this video helps you master your dashboard, please take a quick second to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more productivity tips. Let's dive straight into the setup process. First, you need to navigate to your settings dashboard. Once you are in your account settings, look for the Developer Data section. Within that menu, locate and click on the Signals option. This feature is specifically designed to act as a monitoring hub for your integration alerts. Once you have opened the Signals page, you will see a list of your connected applications. Go through the list and toggle on the notifications for the specific apps you rely on most, such as Zoho CRM. By enabling these toggles, you are telling the system to actively monitor those specific data flows. After you have selected your preferred apps, look for the Save button at the bottom of the screen and click it to confirm your choices. Now, whenever your data syncs successfully, or perhaps more importantly, whenever a system error occurs, you will receive an immediate bell notification. This eliminates the need to manually check logs or wonder if a sync went through correctly. It's a simple yet powerful way to stay proactive with your business automations. Once you've saved your settings, your integration alerts are active and ready to keep you informed. Make sure to periodically test a sync just to verify your notifications are coming through as expected. If you run into any issues during this process, double-check your permission settings to ensure the developer data is authorized. And that's all there is to it. You have now professionally configured your system to provide real-time updates for every integration. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.